I believe you have watched that very particular clips. They are very full breaking down news there. And I'm going to break it down today for you to understand the more of these four major legal and political developments making headlines in South Africa. From control room drama and to corruption allegation, and that is what you are going to see the breakdown from me right now. Here is what you need to see or you need to understand over this video you just watched now. Number one is Teffo. Teffo knows for his controversial involvement in the Senso Mayowa murder trial, has reportedly been blocked from representing a client in a recent court matter. The court found that he does not currently have a legal standing to appear in an advocate. This is a decision followed ongoing question about his professional status and previous legal challenges. While Teffo has maintained that he is being, being treated unfairly targeted, the court ruling means he cannot represent clients until those issues are being solved or being resolved. The next person I have just watched is General Nkodanze, tax team members brigadier. The brigadier has been cleared following investigation into allegations that had been made against him. Authorities found insufficient evidence to be able to use to support discipline or criminal action which they have already placed against him. His clearance is likely to strengthen confidence and within the law enforcement team currently heading high profile cases or high profile organization crime investigation. But however, the critics have urged that there should be transparency remains important to ensure public trust in the outcome of such investigations. So they really want to be transparent. They want public want them to be transparent in anything they are doing so that people can be able to develop or having trust again for them. Now is the police minister, Senzo Makchuno, advised Johnson. This is a person who recently faced tough questions. Johnson came under intense scrutiny during process over his allegation role in the matter linked to police administrative and decision. And during this question, he was asked to explain several action and communication that have raised concern among the investigations and lawmakers. Why no final finding have been made, but the grilling reflects increased pressure on government officials to account for their conduct, particularly at a time when South Africans continue to demand greater accountability for public institutions. Nosifiwe Mapase, this lady is the former Speaker of National Assembly, but now standing trial on corruption-related charges. Prosecutors alleged that she solicited and received bribes during her time as a Minister of Defense. Mhm. She has denied it anyway. She has denied all allegations and she has also maintained her innocence. The case is expected to attract significant public attention because on the it involves one of the country's most senior former government officials. If convicted, the consequences is going to be very severe if she's being convicted. But if acquitted, it could be reshaped public perception surrounding the allegation. As any criminal trial, she is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in the court of law. So at it is, she's still innocent until she's been proven guilty on the court of law. If she's not being proven guilty on the court of law, there's nothing ever somebody will say that she has done wrong. So for you, what does all this mean to you? Or what does all these things trying to tell us? These four stories highlight the increased legal scrutiny facing both public officials and prominent legal figures. South Africa justice system continues to deal with high-profile cases that test public confidence in the rule of law, whether it's courts, enforcement, enforcing professional standards, investigators, clearing officials after examining evidence, public servants being questioned over their conduct, or former political leaders defending themselves against corruption charges. Each case demonstrates the importance of due process. It is a reminder that being investigated or questioned or charged does not automatically mean someone is guilty. Court, not public opinion, ultimately determined guilty or innocent based on evidence present. So that is to say, you can't accuse anyone. You can't say this person have done this. You can't say he has done this until he's been proven guilty. Until then, the person still remains innocent. This is your breakdown of today's top legal and political story. If you are following this case, expect more development in the coming weeks from this channel as investigation and court proceedings continue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay informed by following Verify updates as this story unfolds. Subscribe now, like and share so that we can notify you when next we are bringing the follow up of this very particular story and more you are seeing on this channel. For my returning subscriber, thank you for returning. I pledge to bring you more you want to see and you want to hear. God bless you.